In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check someone's birthday on LinkedIn. Whether you're trying to remember a colleague's special day or simply want to send good wishes, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step in just a few minutes. To get started, you'll want to open your web browser. Once you have it open, type linkedin.com into the address bar. Press enter and you'll be directed straight to LinkedIn's homepage. If you find that you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in using your account details. Just enter your email and password and you should be good to go. Now that you're logged in, it's time to use the search bar at the very top of the LinkedIn page. Here, you'll want to type in the name of the person whose birthday you're keen to check. After entering their name, keep an eye out for their profile within the search results. Once you spot it, click on it. This action will take you directly to their profile page, where you can view the professional details they're sharing. At this stage, you'll need to scroll down a bit to find what we're looking for. Specifically, you're searching for the Contact Info section. It's usually nestled within the Introduction section of the profile. It might take a wee bit of careful browsing, so be patient. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on the Contact Info button. This will bring up a pop-up window. In this window, you'll find the additional details that the person has opted to share publicly. Now, if they've chosen to make their birthday visible to their LinkedIn connections, you'll see it right there, under the birthday field. One thing to remember here is that having a birthday displayed on LinkedIn is entirely optional. So don't be surprised if not everyone has this information up. If you do see it, you can note it down, or perhaps even set a reminder on your calendar to send them your greetings. And that's the simple process for checking someone's birthday on LinkedIn. If the information isn't visible, don't worry. It likely means the person has decided to keep it private. LinkedIn is quite good about respecting user privacy settings, which means only those details that are shared publicly will be accessible to you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.